Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Washington B&O tax estimates for LLCs, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, gather all relevant financial documents for your LLC. Log into your Washington Department of Revenue account. Navigate to the Business and Occupation Tax section. Identify the estimated tax section for your business. Review your previous tax estimates and payments. Update your estimated income projection for the upcoming year. Take into account any changes in revenue or business activity. Enter your updated income estimates in the provided fields. Double-check all entered figures for accuracy. Calculate your new tax estimate based on the updated income. Consider consulting with a tax professional for complex situations. If applicable, adjust for any deductions or credits your LLC may qualify for. Review the tax estimate summary for correctness. Submit your updated estimates electronically through the portal. Print or save a copy of your confirmation for your records. Set a reminder for your next estimated tax payment due date. Keep track of any changes or updates from the Washington Department of Revenue. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.